Hello everyone, welcome to our own channel Vocab with Atrexia. Words actually shape up, ameliorate the way we think, speak, and actually stand out from the crowd or even other people. So let's discover our another pack or dose of powerful vocabulary words you'll actually remember. So the first one is boketo. It's a Japanese term which means gazing vacantly. For example, synonyms may be reverie, dazing, blank gaze, daydreaming or spacing out, quiet contemplation. So these are the actual synonyms for this. Boketo यानी कि we may frame a sentence for this कि ideally किसी चीज़ को देखना और देखते हुए कुछ dream करना, daydreaming करना, कुछ सोचना. For example, Riva actually had a boketo towards her future dreams while looking at the pack of bouquets at a shop. So moving on to the next word, delirium. The second one is delirium, which means serious disturbance in the mental abilities resulting in the perplexities and reduced awareness of surroundings. Synonyms may be flummox, hallucination, confusion. So this is our delirium. What delirium actually constitutes is, इसका मतलब होता है कि हमारी मेंटल एबिलिटीज़ के अंदर सीरियसली एक डिस्टर्बेंस पैदा होना, एक हेल्यूसिनेशन आना, या फिर उसकी वजह से सराउंडिंग्स के द्वारा हमें ओब्लिवियन, हमें कुछ पता ना होना, या एक कन्फ्यूजन की सिचुएशन कॉज हो जाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रीवा एक्चुअली हैड अ डिलीरियम दैट into the sequence of answers due to the loud music playing in the neighborhood at her last night. So she had a confusion, or she had like temporarily her mental abilities were feeling blocked at the moment. Rumbling. Next word is rumbling, a continuous deep resonant sound. For example, grumbling, growling, booming, etc. So these are the synonyms for the above delirium term. You may just frame sentence for the rumbling word, and just pardon me for the mispronunciations in between in case that happens sometimes. So it's your activity to actually frame a sentence upon this word. Let's move on to another. Lugubrious, overly sad or mournful. Gloomy, doleful, morose or sorrowful, यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा grief की state या दुख की state होना. Belligerent, aggressive and actually hostile. Synonyms can be antagonistic, quarrelsome, argumentative, warlike, contentious. And another term over here is for a bonus. You may frame sentences upon that. So as we take this word belligerent, it's used for warlike situations like जहाँ पे लड़ाई हो. Cousins together. Alexa and her cousins had a belligerent